Okay, here we go. Daily box breaks, round number 3 of Top Supreme 2012. David J, since you brought so many spots, if you do not get both of the autos, just if you just get if all right, if you just get one of the hits from these two boxes, if you just get one, I'll give you $16 refund. If you don't get any of the hits, I'm gonna give you a $32 refund. Here's your random results. Redskins, James H. Colts, David J. All right, man. Let's get you something good, shall we? Tim, you have the Lions and Rams. So Broyles is all up in this product. All right, and I'm just going to cut box number 6. Box number 5. Let's do it. I think it's a thicker pack. I'm not sure. Probably a patch in there. Yeah, somewhat thicker. And here we go. Patrick Willis, 252 at a 462. Patrick Willis for the 49ers. Michael Agnew, true rookie for the Dolphins. And that's 66 at a 462. Jarius Wright, another rookie. And that's 52 at a 96 for the Vikings. And the first hit, 2-color patch of Vic Ballard. Very nice. Vic Ballard's going to have some nice potential coming up. And that's 9 out of 10 for the Colts. David J. 9 out of 10. Colts. Congratulations, that's pretty sweet. Wait, I already cut this one. Alright, box number 6. Gentle. Oh, we got a redemption. Jordy Nelson for the Packers, 186 out of 462. Joe Montana, 29 out of 40 for the Chiefs, 29 out of 40. Ryan Tannehill, true rookie, 296 out of 462 for the Dolphins. David J. And Matthew Stafford, auto veteran and retired star, blue parallel of Matthew Stafford for the Lions. Tim R. Look at that, man. Matthew Stafford for Tim. All right, Dave. Well, since you didn't get both hits, man, I'm gonna send you over $16 refund. Um, Nonetheless, very solid hit for Tim R. All right, let me save that up.